Hello everyone, welcome to session of Law for All. Today I'm talking about the 712 extract. What's the meaning of 712 extract? Difference between the same form number 7 and form number 12, and why you need to obtain the 712 extract and legal sanctity of the 712 extract. There are number of documents required to purchase a property in India. One of such document required for the purchase of a property in Maharashtra is the 712 extract. This is an important piece of paper when buyer required to property in rural and semi-rural areas. The 712 extract, traditionally called as a Satbara Utara in Marathi language, is an extract from the land register of any district uh, maintained by the revenue department of the government in the state of Maharashtra. In rural areas, the ownership of a particular plot of land can be established on the basis of so-called record of right or a record of land right, which is mentioned under section 148 of the Maharashtra Land Revenue Code 1966. The number 7 and 12 uh, denotes the village form numbers. The upper part of the extract denotes the form number 7, which refers to a record of rights, denoting the names of occupants, owners, or mortgages of a land, assignees of the rent, or pay, rent or revenue government leases, tenants, the right and the liabilities of holders to pay revenue. Other things which can be specified by the state government by making the rule and other details of the land other than the crop details, whereas the lower part of the uh, extract, which is a form number 12, which refers to register of crop, denoting the types of crop taken, figures of area under the crop, and the follow land. The extract is named after Section 7, continuations and of requisition, and Section 12, power to obtain information of a Bombay Land Requisition Act 1948. There are about 16 different forms been mentioned, maintain uh, the 16 different forms been maintained in each village revenue system, and the several other forms recorded as appended to the Maharashtra Land Revenue Record of Right and Register Preparation and Maintenance Rules 1971. All village all village forms such 712, 8, 8A, 666, 6C are land records forming a substantial part of a land record department required for maintaining and keeping the revenue accounts relating to a person from which a land revenue is realizable. Although Maharashtra Land Revenue Code 1966 does not state about maintenance record of right under section 148 to 159 of the Act. However, does not express any provisions relating to such an extract directly. The form number 7, called as a record of a right, is maintained in form number 1 as appended under the said rules thereby. Whereas on the other side, form number 12, which is register of crops, is being maintained in form number 13, appended under the aforesaid rules, framed therein under the Maharashtra of Land Revenue Code 1966. The 712 extract booklet has been maintained or is being maintained by the Talati at village level, signed by Tahsildar on each page, along with a round seal of a Tahsildar office on each page of a booklet. So now you can obtain the 712 extract from the website given by the government of Maharashtra. Section 148 to 159 of Maharashtra Land Revenue Code 1966 lays down the provisions for maintaining the record of rights in every village. The extract is also governed by the rules under the Maharashtra Land Revenue Record of Rights and Register Preparation and Maintenance Rules 1971, Rule 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 29. So what is the necessity to obtain the 712 extract, or why do you need to obtain the 712 extract, or why do you need to 712 extract for a purchase of property. So the 712 extract of record of land rights is used for looking up the ownership of ancestral land in village. This also helps in a checking for any past dispute or any litigation orders past affecting the land. It has a record of all activities that were carried out on the land. The legal also the legal record also establishes the identity of the land, covering the natural aspect of the surroundings. If it is an agricultural land, the document has a record of the crops that were last grown on the land. Any person willing or desiring to obtain the said 712 extract shall make an application to the Talati under Section 7 of the Maharashtra Inspection Search and the Supply of Copies of Land Record Rules 1970, stating the particular of the land record and purpose for which the copy is sought for. On the receipt of application under above sub-rule, the Talati in charge of the record may grant the request unless it is rejected under the below sub-rules. If the officer in charge of the record, not being a Talati, considers that the record of which a copy is applied for is of a confidential nature, or the supply of the copy would be prejudiced to the public interest, he record where Talati is in charge of such record, he refers the application for the order of Tahsildar. Now, can you transfer the 712 extract? It is the most important part of the uh, property, or about the 712 extract. Uh, so the 712 extract is a land record for a tax collection purpose, and can be produced as a proof to show the possession rights of the land, but the document is not a proof and establish a title. Therefore, one cannot transfer the title on the basis of a 712 extract, as it does not act as a proof of ownership. There are a lot of judgment passed by the Supreme Court and High Court that the 712 extract does not confer a title. It's only a proof of showing your possession in the land. The revenue mutation entry alone cannot confer a legal right uh, or title in favor of the person who may have succeeded in litigation, or entries in the revenue record do not create any extinguish any title in respect of land in dispute. Now, what is the dispute arise about the 712 extract or mutation entries? So there are so many litigations now arises about the 712 extract, because the mutation entries are taken behind the back of the person, and uh, so many times it is not intimated by the talati to the interested person. Therefore, the dispute is arises about the 712 extract and mutation entries. So, in case any objection is received against the 712 extract or mutation entry, the matter is referred to the revenue assistant of the area. Any any party aggrieved by an order of, of the mutation entry can file appeal before the additional collector uh, within the 30 days of the order under section 247 of the Maharashtra Land Revenue Code 1966. Wherever it is provided in the Maharashtra Land Revenue Code 1966 that the decision order is given finality, meaning thereby when no appeal lies from any such decision or order, it shall be permissible for the state government alone to modify, annul, or reverse any such decision or order under the provisions of section 257 of Maharashtra Land Revenue Code 1966. It's the section 257 provide a remedy by way of revision. The power of review under Section 258 Maharashtra Land Revenue Code 1966 are akin the powers of review under the Civil Procedure Code, and they can be invoked only if the circumstances mentioned therein are satisfied. I hope this information is useful to you. We will meet in next session. Till then, stay safe, stay home, and have a nice day. Bye.